morning, good afternoon, good evening. How's everybody doing? So anyway, stop for lunch and go.
Thanks, you got a pull up with that?
I'll catch up with you guys in just a few. Tell you the truth, I don't know. I think the lighting in here sucks, but good morning, everyone. How you doing? We're going to make pickles today, refrigerator pickles. It's raining outside. I don't know if you can hear that, but we're going to start. I bought everything off of Lazada. Oh, not everything. My wife got the white vinegar and the coriander seed from Macro. We have gonna do it with some apple cider vinegar, white vinegar. We're going to have mustard seed, and this is the dill that they had. I didn't see any fresh dill, so we're going to try it without it. 2 different kinds of peppercorns plus these black peppercorns. I put bay leaf in each one, salt and turmeric. Turmeric for mainly color, but also supposed to be good for you anyway. Started, we'll get the cucumbers out here, slice them up, and I'll show you more when we get to that point. So hope everybody enjoys it. Let's make some pickles. Okay, I'm back. So anyway, before I took them all out of here. These were all I bought from Bo Adventures, who's she has a channel here. I'll leave it in the description below. I got all of them except for these here are out of our garden here, my mother-in-law's field. I'm gonna scrub each one of these and cut the ends off, I think, unless I'm gonna leave a few whole in there too. So these here, I'm gonna go ahead and leave whole and put in one. The rest of these I'm gonna cut into halves, and the bigger ones maybe into quarters, but cut off each end. So just cut off each end, and I think half will be good because these jars are kind of deep. I probably could have ordered smaller jars, which I will probably end up doing. I'm gonna wash these again before we're gonna salt them, and that's gonna and put them in the refrigerator, like I said earlier, for a couple hours or something. You'll see the moisture that will come out of them, and hopefully they will be good and crisp. And I think these little cucumbers are gonna make excellent pickles. So. And you can use pickling salt or kosher salt or whatever. I'm going to use this fine pink Himalayan. Let's see how that works. Just going to sprinkle a little bit on there. And I'm going to get some more. I'm going to wash all of this salt off. This should draw a bunch of the moisture out of them. We'll see what you'll see what it does, because I'm going to leave it that pan underneath there, and we'll see how much comes out of them. I just want them to be good and crisp. So this is going to be for the brine. We're going to put in 3 cups of water. I didn't know that was pretty close. we'll, I didn't know a bottle was 3 cups. What a good, now I'll put another. Okay, and then I'm going to add to that 2 cups of apple cider vinegar. Yeah, actually, it's supposed to be 4, sorry. It's 4 cups of water. 1, 2 cups of apple cider vinegar, and 2 cups of white vinegar. Okay. All right, we're gonna bring that up to a simmer, and we'll get the other stuff ready. Alrighty. All right, and just gonna put a little bit of the spice in there: bay leaf, some mustard seed, this is black peppercorn and white. We're gonna put stuff in each one, and coriander seed. And we're still waiting for that to come up. I'll bring this up a little bit. Alrighty. So we'll wait for those to come out of the fridge, and we'll start putting them in the jar. See you in 1 minute or a second. Alright, so our deals are clean. Our containers. We'll put them here. Put this here. And okay, so in the bottom I'm going to put a little bit of everything. I'm going to put some peppercorn. I'm going to put some coriander seed. And you can put pretty much whatever you want in here. Mustard seed. And I wish I had fresh dill, but a little bit of dill in each one. And put a bay leaf. I'm going to put probably 2, get some decent ones. That one's not bad. And 1 in here. I'm going to go ahead and take out 3 or 4 decent ones to put in there. That's a big one. Okay, that should give me a good enough. Okay. And to our, we'll move over to the pickling, or actually the brine, if I don't knock anything over. And we're going to put a tablespoon and a half of salt. And I'm going to put the same sugar. I just have to go find it. So anyway, and then that's all that's going to go in there. I'm going to shut this off, let it cool once it's well combined. So hopefully I'll come back and we'll start loading those jars full. See you in a second. It's boiling now. I also put in the sugar, a tablespoon, and we're going to put in just probably maybe a teaspoon of turmeric. That's all you need. Yeah, put a little more. Okay. And I'm going to make sure that everything is combined. And go ahead and shut this off. And we're almost ready to get started. So there's the water. I don't know if you can, let me put it over here. You can see how much came out of them. So wash those off, and we'll. These didn't take much water, or get much water out of them. A little bit, and we will put them in those canning jars. Alrighty, see you in a minute. Couple of things too is I'm going to put at least 2 cloves of garlic in each one. Maybe more. I don't know. This looks like pretty good garlic, so I'm going to put that much garlic in there. And then I'm also going to, just for the heck of it, because we are in Thailand after all, is I'm going to put in a Thai chili in each one. On the garlic, all you need to do is just cut off that end and just smash them. Pull them out, and that's what they're going to go. We'll start with our little guys first. Let's see. There we go. So, without any kind of rhyme or reason, because they're not going to stand up, let's try to fit in as many as we possibly can, which I'm hoping is going to be all of these. About halfway through, I'm going to go ahead and add chili and our one little green piece, another bay leaf, and some more mustard seeds, some more coriander seeds, some more peppercorns, and some more dill. Put its other garlic in there, shove it down in there. A little bit more of everything. Alright, so that one is done. Alright, let's move to, hopefully we're going to get all these wedges in here. I'm hoping. No. More dill in each one of these. Peppercorns. On 3. And bay leaf in there. Another one in here. Some coriander. And last but not least, mustard seed. All right. Come on. There. Perfect. All right. Okay. Let's get them ready for the brine. Very cool. All right. I shall be back in a minute. Okay, so it's been about an hour, and this is lukewarm, maybe on the colder side. And I'm going to get ready. I'm going to put it here and get you set up here, I hope. And we'll top these up. That ½ inch or so. You want to definitely cover your pickles. I think that's good. The rest of that stuff we'll get rid of, and just go ahead and put your tops on. 1, And there's 2. And there's 3. I just like to turn them up, actually. Just make sure everything's mixed up good. And they are cool, but go ahead and let them make sure they're completely cooled down before you put them in your fridge. Overnight, you can eat them tomorrow. I would say they're probably best 2 or 3 days later, up to, I'm going to say 2 or 3 months. You know, of course, if they smell bad, don't eat them. But they will last in there. They're not going to sit on a shelf like fermented dill pickles, but I think you'll like it. You'll like the way that they turned out. So we will let these sit out for about another 20-30 minutes and put them in the refrigerator. And I'll probably do a short later on tasting them, taste test, in a day or two, and maybe one short in a day, one short in 3 days, and one short in a week or something. I don't know. I'll figure something out. I want to thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. It's free to subscribe. And I will catch you on the next one.